Good morning. We are on our way to Toronto.
Yeah, stop over in Kingston, Boondock. It's a nice little place. Kate found it when, what was the app again?
Overlander.
Yeah, it was nice. Well, it's like almost downtown, like near the water. And yeah, it served its purpose. We could park. We had, we didn't have supper there. We stopped before the truck stop to have supper, and then yeah, we just
We left a little bit later than we had foreseen, so we had to stop before to feed the kids because they were going nuts.
Exactly. And then when we arrived, we parked, and then everybody went to bed. Woke up next morning. Nice 6:30. Kids waking up.
Yeah, I love kids.
And had breakfast, and we're on our way.
Nice toast for breakfast. I burnt only one toast. Just one.
It's a practice toast.
I mean, we don't have a toaster. It's in the oven, right? And those RV ovens are so great. We're on our way to Toronto. Today it's supposed to rain. It hasn't started yet. Or maybe it's a different story in Toronto. We'll probably spend the day at the campsite. They're supposed to be having a barbecue to raise money for the Toronto Sick Kids Hospital. So we'll probably participate in that because we like those kind of events. The chef is cooking, and all is right in the world. On a level from 1 to 10, how much do you love your Blackstone?
Oh, I would say a good 15, 15 and a half.
Yeah?
Too hard. Try again. Yeah. Again. It's hard, huh? Go. Be careful. Qui fait dodo comme ça?
Papa.
Quoi?
Papa.
Quoi?
Moi aussi, je veux un gâteau.
Tu veux un gâteau? Ils sont noirs, hein? Ok. Il fait-tu dodo? Ouais. Toi, tu fais-tu dodo? Non. Il fait-tu dodo? Ouais. Entends-tu ronfler? Puis il fait-tu dodo? In a few minutes we'll board that little boat over there, this little ferry. It's gonna bring us to Center Island, and apparently there's like rides and places to go for the kids, and probably a splash pad and all. So we are currently in downtown Toronto and we're going into Center Island. excited are you to go do the ride?
Yes! Super!
Super excited, Valentine. Are you excited to go do the ride?
Yes! Yeah!
Whoa!
Let's go!
Was
Let's
it
go!
fun? Yeah, this Valentine, was it fun? Very, very loud. You hold Papa, hold the legs, Papa, okay? You ready?
Yeah!
You ready?
Yeah!
Oh my God, look at this! We're going down! Whoa! Woohoo!
Yeah, super butterfly!
So, drove from Toronto to the Sobel Beach.
We actually left at 11.
Left, wow.
Yeah.
So it took us a long time to get here. So we're in the Bruce
500
Peninsula.
meters, turn left onto Red Bay Road.
You see Red Bay Road. And yeah, we're at a small campground. What's it called? Red
Bay
Bay tent and
Tent trailer,
trailer,
something.
yes, something like that. It's very small camp,
Take the next left
but
onto
it's.
Red Bay Road.
I think it's not. It has this cachet because.
Maybe it's here.
Oh, it's here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we're good now. So
So yes.
it's like a small country road that leads to the Bruce Peninsula, and it took us a while because, well,
Kids,
we need
many
to
stops.
eat,
They
we need to gas.
and
We need to buy floaties. We need
bowel
to
movements.
Oh jeez, it never ends. It just never ends.
Exactly. But we made it, and it felt like we were going nowhere because we were on the.
Pretty sure we were in Amish country at some point.
Oh yeah, because we saw people dressed in.
Like long dresses working the
Amish?
fields. It was
Can we say
weird.
that?
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, we can say that. That's
Anyway, so yeah, at one point we felt like in another era, and then
that was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was
It was
pretty cool.
trippy.
And then you arrive in the Sobel Beach like kind of region, and then start to see people again.
Yeah,
Cell
in
phones and
shorts.
stuff. Yeah, with electronics. So so we here small camping.
Yeah, compared to the campsite we had in Toronto, I don't know if we didn't really show around. Maybe we should start doing that, showing around the
We do.
campgrounds.
Tell us if you want us to show around.
Yeah, tell us.
Do comment.
So the
Our
campsite.
thousands of
Okay,
subscribers.
so I think there are different types of campers out there. I think we're more on the glamper side. We're a bit more spoiled. We like to have our 3 services. So the electrical, the water, and the sewer. So we can do as many dishes as our heart desires.
But
We can wash our hair as many times as we like in one day. And we definitely are the type of camper that likes to have the playground, the water facilities for the kids, whatever, pool, splash pad, as much as possible for the kids, basically, so that they can keep busy and we can sit in front of our BioLite and have a drink.
Line of sight, you see them.
Yeah,
They feel free, but they're not.
definitely not free.
And yeah, but we have to say that the last camping that we went
In Toronto.
in near Toronto,
Yeah,
in
near
Flamborough,
Yeah.
was a pulled through, so that was like awesome. We just like
Yeah, I think it's the
Okay.
first time that we had a full
first time that we didn't make it around to back up.
No, that's wrong. We had a pull through in Niagara, in the KOA
Yeah, well, we
in
had-
Niagara,
Yeah, but we had a rental.
when we rented the motor ride
Yeah.
last summer.
Yeah.
But I think we didn't appreciate it to its full extent because pull-throughs are Fabulous.
And tomorrow is we're gonna probably go to Sabo Beach and
Take
look
the
around a
next
bit.
right onto Ontario 6
It's
South.
not supposed to be
Yeah.
that hot, so I don't know how that's gonna go.
Yeah, but apparently the water is hot. Like our neighbor was telling me, I asked him. He said like you can walk like a couple of meters.
Continue on Ontario 6 South for 12 kilometers.
Okay, we're back again.
We're back. Twice. And apparently the water, you have water not even to your waist.
Yeah, it's very shallow.
It's very shallow. The sand
For
is
a long
beautiful,
time.
and the water was warm. They told me like and it was 22 yesterday. No, today. And they went, and it was like super comfortable. So anyhow, so we'll show you that.
Morning. We slept really well last night. We went to bed at around 11. Woke up at 7 as usual because of the kids. But so quiet. Slept so well. As promised, I'll give you a little tour of our little campsite. It's quite snug. I'm going to try to back up a bit. So this is our trailer. It fits just in the campsite. And then this is our dining room. Jack put up our gazebo because in the evenings there's a lot of bugs here. And they tend to eat Jack, as I'm sure I've previously mentioned. And then here, it's Jack's cooking station. Get yourself water, it's okay. This is Jack's domain right here. And then here's the fridge. 1 second, I will be right with you. And our truck is parked across like that because there's no other space for it. And then our relaxing area is here with our BioLite and a chair. We put away the second chair for the evening. Well, we put both chairs away for the evening, but I came out and took up my chair. And I had breakfast right there, as you can tell, in a baby plate. I don't mind. Here we are. And so today we're gonna go explore a couple of beaches and we'll bring you along.
Where you going, Ariel?
Oh,
We
you're a
are
big
at the
boy.
windy Red Bay. And
In Bruce Peninsula.
in Bruce Peninsula, and yeah, so far it's a bit cold day. It's 22, sunny, The water is like very shallow. It's fun for the kids and
But that's
the
when
sand.
you know you're in Canada, when it's
Yeah.
21 outside and people are playing in the water.
Exactly.
Just
And they're actually having fun.
yeah.
So here are the Canadians.
They may have a bit of hypothermia happening, but nobody cares.
Nobody
It's
cares.
sunny and it's summer, and we have to take advantage.
What's that? What did you see?
I saw little fish. I saw two. Oh. That's not good, c'est bon.
Bon.
In the
Comme
afternoon,
papa.
we want to
Pas une heure
South
pareil.
Beach. I don't know if you'll hear me.
Sure, pareil.
Wow. Awesome beach. Awesome, awesome beach.
Maman, je bois la
Now we're
bière.
just about to have supper. What do you have to say for yourself?
I am a happy camper right now. Very nice place. Like I think it's small enough to be. I don't know if it's like a secret or something like that, but it's pretty awesome. It has a little downtown, couple of shops. Very nice.
And
Nice
I've
place.
got a
It's like
little
a
game
beach
here.
boardwalk
I've got a
vibe,
little game.
but it's like compact, you know. So not too many people.
Yeah.
Really cool place. Now we're chilling with a glass of prosecco. Oh no, this is cava. And Jack has the Salvo Beach.
And this
Lemonade special.
Ariel has
So
some.
by special is that there's cognac and whiskey at the bottom. Pretty sweet.
Oysters. Are you happy, baby?
It's too good to be true. Look at this.
I think he likes oysters.
Oh my god. Feed myself on that water.
Why don't you show us how you take a bite of an oyster? Or
You want me?
how
You want to
slurp?
hear my slurp? How was that sauce? Was it good?
It's okay. I like the classic lemon.
The classic?
That's my thing.
Yes. So we're gonna squeeze a bit of lemon. I'm gonna juice it up. Put a bit of shave.
Horseradish. I'm pretty sure that's
Horseradish?
going to be quite strong, so
I don't care. This?
slurp it, baby. Oh yeah. Yeah, we chew our oysters. That's
But no, no horseradish is not strong enough. It's actually very nice.
look at her finger.
What?
No.
Oh, the puss? Ouais, non.
Dégueulasse.